L39CXXXL. Manufactured by German specialist Tomahawk Aviation, it is one of the most ambitious giant-scale remote-controlled jets ever engineered. Built as a stunning 1:2.7 scale replica of the legendary Aero L39 Albatros, this extraordinary model commands attention with its enormous 138-inch wingspan and impressive 177-inch fuselage length. Crafted using advanced fiberglass and carbon fiber composites, the RC maintains strength while weighing about 155 pounds, an engineering accomplishment for a model of this size. It gained worldwide recognition during 2020 and 2021, particularly at events like the Slovenia Jet Meet. It quickly became a symbol of what is possible in large-scale RC aviation. Valued at roughly $70,000, much of its investment reflects the powerful JetCat P550 turbine engine, a high-performance powerhouse capable of delivering breathtaking realism and performance. Designed with professional competition in mind, the RC features remarkable scale details, including functioning speed brakes and even flare deployment in flight, creating an experience that brings model aviation closer than ever to full-scale jet operations. CAF Models F4 Phantom II. The F4 Phantom II comes to life in remarkable fashion through the CAF Models F4 Phantom, a model many enthusiasts regard as one of the most refined production RC military jets ever created. Introduced around 2016, this impressive 4.5 scale RC raised expectations across the giant-scale jet community with its advanced engineering and meticulous attention to realism. Built using modern sandwich composite construction, the aircraft features a wingspan of roughly 100 inches and an impressive 155-inch fuselage. When equipped with dual 200N to 300N turbines, large fuel tanks, and full-scale accessories, the takeoff weight typically reaches between 75 and 85 pounds, giving the model a commanding presence both on the ground and in the air. While the base kit begins near $10,000, fully equipped competition builds, including hydraulic landing gear, advanced electronics, and a museum-quality cockpit, often approach $50,000. Signature details such as a sliding pneumatic canopy and fully functional leading-edge slats elevate the experience further, helping the aircraft shine at major gatherings like Top Gun Invitational and Jet Power event, where precision and realism define excellence. Large-scale RC Concorde. The dream of the legendary Aerospatiale BAS Concorde was brought to life in extraordinary fashion through a remarkable 1:6 scale RC Concorde built by British father and son team Stephen Bishop and Matthew Bishop. Completed around 2014 after years of careful craftsmanship and engineering, this handcrafted aircraft quickly gained admiration when it debuted at major European flight festivals. Measuring an astonishing 33 feet in length with a wingspan of 13 feet, the model ranks among the largest remote-controlled aircraft ever constructed. Built from lightweight plywood, balsa, and composite skins, the massive airframe weighs approximately 330 pounds, an incredible achievement considering its size and complexity. To power this giant, the aircraft relies on 4 JetCat P300 Pro turbine engines, generating a combined thrust of more than 260 pounds, allowing the RC to lift gracefully into the air. With an estimated value exceeding $100,000, the project reflects years of dedication and technical mastery. Featuring a fully functional droop nose and sophisticated multi-engine synchronization systems, this remarkable Concorde remains one of the most ambitious and technically advanced RC aircraft ever flown at professional exhibitions. Skymaster RCF-14 Tomcat. The Grumman F-14 Tomcat comes alive in dramatic fashion through the Skymaster F-14XXL, produced by Skymaster RC jet models. Built at an impressive 1.5.5 scale, this extraordinary aircraft earned widespread attention between 2022 and 2024, appearing at major international jet meets and drawing admiration for both its size and technical sophistication. With a wingspan stretching to 140 inches when fully extended and a fuselage length of 136 inches, the version delivers a commanding presence rarely seen in remote-controlled aviation. Constructed using advanced sandwich composite materials, the aircraft weighs around 84 pounds dry. Though fully fueled and equipped with detailed scale features, it can exceed 125 pounds. A competition-ready build is a significant investment, with total costs often reaching $45,000. While the airframe and scale landing gear account for roughly $10,000, the addition of dual 200 Newton to 250 Newton turbine engines, intricate wing sweep actuators, and numerous high-torque servos contribute to its premium level. Its defining feature, a fully functional variable geometry wing system, paired with a detailed cockpit and operating canopy, makes this aircraft one of the most technically advanced and captivating giant-scale jets flying today. Peter Michaels Airbus A380. The Airbus A380 has inspired many large-scale models, but few match the presence of the remarkable RC version built by German master modeler Peter Michael. Created as a 1:15 scale replica of the Singapore Airlines fleet, this impressive aircraft debuted around 2013 and quickly drew global attention at major European flight gatherings, including the Hausen Flugtag. The aircraft's size alone makes it extraordinary, featuring a wingspan of 17.4 feet and a length approaching 16 feet. Despite these enormous dimensions, the model remains surprisingly lightweight, thanks to careful construction using styrofoam and balsa wood. This thoughtful design keeps the takeoff weight around 156 pounds, allowing the aircraft to maintain stable and graceful flight characteristics. Power comes from 4 JetCat P120 turbine engine units, delivering both the thrust and the unmistakable sound of a full-scale jet airliner. With more than 5,000 hours of craftsmanship invested and the high cost of turbine engines, the aircraft's estimated value exceeds $30,000. This extraordinary A380 stands as one of the most recognizable and inspiring giant-scale RC airliners ever flown at international exhibitions. B-52 Stratofortress. The Boeing B-52 Stratofortress has long inspired model builders, yet few projects have matched the ambition of the legendary version created by Gordon Nichols around 2013. This remarkable scratch-built aircraft emerged as a 1:9 scale replica, featuring an enormous 22-foot wingspan and a fuselage stretching beyond 19 feet, making it one of the largest turbine-powered RC aircraft of its time. Carefully constructed from balsa, plywood, and composite materials, the aircraft weighed approximately 250 pounds, an incredible figure for a flying model of this complexity. To bring the giant into the air, Nichols installed 8 JetCat P-80 turbine engine units, faithfully recreating the real bomber's iconic 8-engine configuration. At the time, each turbine cost between $2,500 and $3,000, placing the propulsion system alone near $24,000 and pushing the total project well beyond $60,000. Although the aircraft was lost during a 2014 Flight Festival accident, its achievement left a powerful legacy. Even today, while electric ducted fan versions exist, few have matched the scale, complexity, and bold engineering demonstrated by this unforgettable 8-turbine giant. CAF Models Corsair 40% Scale Warbird. This is one of the most detailed giant-scale RC aircraft built for serious competition and airshow flying. Designed in Germany using composite fiberglass and carbon fiber construction, this massive replica of the legendary Volt F4U Corsair combines scale realism with high performance. The aircraft features a wingspan of approximately 2.8 meters and a flying weight between 18 to 21 kilograms, making it a true giant-scale warbird. It is designed for powerful engines ranging from 80 cubic centimeters to 150 cubic centimeters gasoline engines, or even a 250 cubic centimeter radial engine for maximum realism and sound. First introduced in the modern composite lineup during the late 2000s, the Corsair includes advanced features such as scale retractable landing gear, folding wings, hidden control linkages, and detailed panel lines molded directly into the airframe. The base ARF kit typically costs around $4,500 to $5,800, but fully equipped competition builds can exceed $20,000 once servos, engine, avionics, and paint are added. Built for experienced pilots, the CAF Corsair delivers dramatic scale presence, slow flight capability, and commanding performance at professional giant-scale competitions. Tomahawk Aviation Futura S. The Futura S from Tomahawk Aviation represents the elegance and precision of modern high-performance sport jets. Developed from the original Futura design introduced around 2010, the compact S version has earned a strong reputation on the competition circuit, admired for its excellent power-to-weight ratio and responsive handling that make it ideal for precision aerobatics and professional flight displays. Constructed using advanced composite materials, the aircraft features a 75-inch wingspan and an overall length of 79 inches. Built with vacuum sandwich technology and reinforced with carbon fiber, the airframe achieves exceptional rigidity while remaining lightweight, typically resulting in a takeoff weight between 18 and 22 pounds. This balance allows the jet to deliver smooth, controlled maneuvers along with energetic vertical performance. A fully equipped competition build, including a 100 Newton to 140 Newton turbine engine, high-speed digital servos, and an electric retract system, usually ranges between $8,000 and $12,000. With its sleek aerodynamic lines and oversized canopy, the Futura S has become one of the most recognizable and admired sport jets in the RC aviation community. BVM Jets F-18 Twin Turbine. The BVM Jets F-18 Twin Turbine is one of the most respected giant-scale RC jet aircraft used in professional competitions and turbine jet events. Built by Bob Violet Models in the United States, the aircraft reflects decades of experience, as the company has been designing turbine-powered RC jets since 1981. The large 1:5.5 scale BVM F-18 features a wingspan of approximately 85.5 inches and a length of 121 inches. The aircraft typically weighs around 52 pounds, placing it firmly in the giant scale category. It is designed to use powerful 250 to 310 N turbine engines, with both single and twin turbine configurations available for advanced performance and realism. Modern versions released in the late 2010 and updated through 2021 to 2024 include features such as retractable landing gear, scale lighting, smoke systems, and a fully detailed cockpit. The base aircraft typically costs around $12,000 to $13,000, while fully equipped twin turbine competition builds can exceed $20,000. Known for smooth handling, scale realism, and high performance, the BVM F-18 remains a favorite among professional RC jet pilots worldwide. CAF Models Rebel Max. The CAF Models Rebel Max is a giant turbine-powered sport jet designed for professional RC jet competitions and high-performance aerobatics. Introduced after CAF Models acquired the Rebel molds from Perotti Models in 2018, the Rebel Max became the largest aircraft in the Rebel series, combining Italian styling with German composite engineering. The aircraft features a massive 118-inch wingspan and 130-inch length with a typical flying weight of around 53 pounds, placing it firmly in the giant-scale turbine jet category. It is designed for powerful 210 to 260 Newton turbine engines, allowing high-speed passes, smooth aerobatics, and slow, stable flight characteristics. Constructed from full composite fiberglass and carbon fiber, the Rebel Max includes removable wings, multi-section fuselage, retractable landing gear, and large fuel capacity for extended flight times. The base ARF kit typically costs around $5,300 to $5,500, while fully equipped competition builds with turbines, servos, and electronics often exceed $15,000 to $25,000. Built for experienced pilots, the Rebel Max delivers impressive size, smooth handling, and professional-level turbine jet performance.